So according to some YouTube channels and other creators, a new legal document has been put out about the Jay Slater case. However, we cannot verify if this is real or not. And the truth is, they get Jay's name wrong a lot of times in this document. They call him Jane. So it's very hard to kind of understand whether this can be verified. It's some kind of issue for the Spanish court due to the spelling mistakes, etc., or whether it's not a real document and it's something that's been made up by people online. However, I am going to tell you what the document says. So the document in English says this. This was initiated due to the disappearance of Mr. Jay Slater, a British citizen who was on vacation on the island of Tenerife in June of 2024. On June the 18th, 2024, a letter was received from the Organic Unit of the Judicial Police Territorial Team of Puerta de la Cruz, stating that on June the 17th, 2024, Miss Lucy May Law appeared at the premises of the main post Icon de los something in Santa Cruz in Tenerife, reported that she was on vacation on the island with her friend Jane Slater. They were both in the town of Masca at a friend's house, both of them. Once the complainant woke up, she noticed her friend was not at home. The latter told her he had gone for a walk in the area at 8:50 a.m. She had received a phone call from Jane Slater informing her that he had suffered a fall and was injured in one leg, his battery was running out, and that he was afraid of dying. These events give rise to a police investigation, and then there's a reference number which I won't put out because it's a legal document number from the main post of Icon de los Vinos in Santa Cruz in Tenerife. In response to these events, the corresponding criminal procedure was initiated with PD number 412 of 2024. The investigative proceedings aimed at clarifying the facts were being carried out. So if it is true in any way, shape or form, which obviously I cannot verify, and I just want to be really, really honest, it's like allegedly, because we just don't know. I don't even know who's got hold of these paperwork or how. It would state that Lucy was also at the Airbnb that morning, that she says she went to sleep when she woke up, Jay was gone. And that leads us, if it's true, to question every single person's statement in this case, because no one mentioned that Lucy was there, although a lot of us said from day one that she was, due to the fact even on the ping map, her phone was pinging very close to where Jay's was, and she could never kind of understand, she could never make us understand why that was. Why would that happen? Why would your phone be pinging near to Jay's unless you were out there too? And also the fact of the incoming outgoing call that she changed her mind on only when called out after showing the screenshots on her phone. There's lots of things in this case that never made sense, but let me know what you think of that paperwork. Are the mistakes on this too much? Could it be an error because of translation? Like what do you think is the reason why he's been called Jane in these documents? Partially. Sometimes he's called Jay. It's all over the place.